Well, hello, this is Rosa, rcgkreations. This is going to be a quick little video. You know, I made some marinades, and some of them I had no idea what, never had them before. Well, this is one of those that we haven't had. The other one, I'll put a link of how I made the marinades, and I froze them and put them in the freezer. This one is the Southwest chicken tenders that I froze. Man, I really wish y'all could smell this. It smells so good. And because we're on a weight loss program, we're not eating any rice and we're not having any pasta to go with it. So you can have that added to it or just eat it as a main course, and that's what we're doing today. So hubby went ahead and made some baked beans. So those have a little sugar in them, we know. He didn't use my pressure can baked beans. He forgot about them. The oven's still hot because he just cooked it. And then here's a chicken tender. A lot of juicy, man, oh man, oh man. Oh, look at that, look at that. It just falls apart. I haven't even got a knife to it yet. But boy, it's hot. I'm going to get myself a knife. I just got back from the gym. I'm hungry. I'm hot. It was 95 degrees here in South Texas. And so let's slice this baby up a little bit. You almost don't even need a knife. But I do because I have weak wrists. And it's a little, I'm trying to see, is it, it's just a tad dry, which is very surprising because it sat in a marinade for over 2 weeks. And it baked in its own juices. But then I also did tell him to bake it uncovered. I think next time what I'm going to do is we're going to try it baked covered. And I'm going to add that little note in the recipe that I have. And say uncovered, a little dry, and then we'll see what the covered looks like to see if it makes a difference. Which it should, because when you bake something and it's covered, it should make a difference of, ooh, that's hot. I just put that on the plate for a little bit. So let's get a little bit of chicken. Now I'm going to do just the chicken by itself. And I keep on dropping little pieces. Oh man. You can definitely taste the seasonings in it. The flavor is there. All the flavor is, this is a 2 thumbs up dinner. And what I would do is savor the juices. And if for those who are not on a weight program and don't mind eating rice or pasta, I would make this with rice. And pour some of these juices in your rice and mix it up, and then get your bite-sized pieces of your chicken. Talk about a delicious meal. So anyway, this is my take on a freezer meal, and hubby said he did exactly what I wrote the directions right on the bag. 425, 15 minutes, then you flip the chicken. Actually, excuse me, 425 degrees, and then after 7.5 minutes, you flip the chicken. Cook it another 7.5 minutes because you want a total of 15 minutes is all it takes. Okay, but next time I'm going to ask him to, I'm going to put it on there, cover it, put a piece of foil over it and cover it, and that'll keep the moisture in the chicken, because this is just a tad dry, not a lot, but just a tad dry. So anyway, we thank you so much for watching, and this is my take on a freezer meal. It's called Southwest Chicken, and we use chicken tenders in it. I'm squatting down because I don't want to bend over. I'm lazy because I literally walked in from the gym and now I'm tired. My legs are hurting. You take care. We'll catch you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.